I've been blow up the stacks in then I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been blow up the stacks in
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 hairstyles for natural hair girls. If you guys want to see how I achieve these beautiful hairstyles, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video, and let's get right into the hairstyles. So before we get into today's video, we're just gonna need a rat tail comb, a brush, some got to be glue gel, eco styling gel, sorry, and scrunchies. So I have a rubber band scrunchie, but scrunchies will work. So the first hairstyle is literally going to be putting your hair in two. So just pat your hair straight down the middle and brush it in two. I feel like people always underestimate how cute these hairstyles are.
I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You can do it too, believe it. I've been blow up the stacks in and I can put you in. I've been
Press hairstyle. Cute. Or you can literally just pull all the ends through. Style number 2. But 3. Hairstyle number 3. Hairstyle number 4. Literally just wear it like out in puffs. into a puff. Okay guys, this is the final hairstyle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn what? If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys want a part 2, please leave a comment down below because I have a bunch of hairstyles that I love to share with you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.